In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into WhatsApp Web using an OTP in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're working from your laptop or just prefer the comfort of a larger screen, WhatsApp Web is a fantastic tool to keep your chats within arm's reach. So let's not waste any more time and dive right in. First things first, let's open up your preferred web browser. It can be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other web browser that you're comfortable with. After all, WhatsApp Web works seamlessly across all major browsers, making it accessible for everyone. Once you've got your browser open, let's head to Google. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why Google? Well, it's just to ensure we're getting to the official WhatsApp website without any hiccups. It's a small step, but a crucial one to keep our online activities safe and secure. In the Google search bar, simply type in WhatsApp. That's WHATSAPPEP. It's straightforward, but make sure you spell it correctly to avoid any misleading results. Hit enter and you'll see a bunch of results pop up. Our target, it's the official WhatsApp website. Usually it should be among the top results, but in case you're unsure, look for a search result that reads WhatsApp vertical bar secure and reliable, free private messaging and calling. It's a bit of a mouthful, but it's the exact descriptor that guides us to the official platform. Click on that link and welcome. You've made it to the official WhatsApp website. Now that we're here, you're going to look for a button that says login. It's typically situated right on the home page, screaming for a click. This one's your gateway to accessing WhatsApp Web. After clicking on login, your next move is to look for an option labeled login with phone number. It's pretty self-explanatory. WhatsApp works with your phone number, tying your account to a unique identifier that's as personal as it gets. Clicking on this option initiates the process to access WhatsApp Web securely. You're doing great. And there you have it, step by step, we've navigated our way from launching a web browser to standing at the doorstep of logging into WhatsApp Web using your phone number. This process is not only straightforward, but also ensures that you can use WhatsApp from nearly any device, making your messaging experience fluid and versatile, especially if you're someone who juggles between devices throughout the day. Remember, WhatsApp's focus on security means that every step in this process has been designed to protect your privacy and secure your messages. So, while it may seem like a few hoops to jump through, it's all in the service of keeping your communication safe and seamless. I hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through logging into WhatsApp Web using an OTP. It's simple, secure, and opens up a new dimension of convenience for your messaging needs. Whether you're at home, in the office, or anywhere in between, WhatsApp Web ensures your conversations are just a click away. Thank you for following along. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech guides and tips. Stay safe and see you in the next video.